everyone, today I'm so excited. Guess what I have? It's a selfie stick. It's 27.6 inches long. The selfie stick has a 225-degree rotational clamp. Also, it has a 360-degree phone holder, as well as a rear view mirror, which makes taking selfies really great. Also, the phone holder can be adjusted so it can fit various phone sizes. The selfie stick allows us to use frontal and the rear camera, which is really great and convenient. Also, it is wireless remote control, which is perfect because you don't have to touch your screen to take a picture. To use the wireless remote control, all you have to do is give it a long press and you'll see a blue light flashing, and then you can connect it to your phone's Bluetooth and it will appear onto your list of contacts, connect, and then it's done. What's great about this selfie stick is that it can also be used as a tripod stand. And voila, it's very sturdy and non-slip, so you are very safe whilst using it. Hey guys, it's me again. So as you can see, I'm just enjoying my day outside in the sun. It's gonna be so much fun to have a look and see them all. Yes, I cannot wait. Okay, so that's it from me. Bye bye. I hope you like this video.